Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sweet Heavenly Dove, and I'm going to be making a birthday card. This is the paper pack I'm using. It's called Party Time. It's already been used. 12 by 12. And I think I got this from Tuesday morning, but it's been some time ago. It's nothing recent. And I will be using this die. It's a little swirly lines. What is it called? Not confetti. The streamers. Yes, streamers. And I believe I have this from AliExpress. All right. Well, some of this I've already pre-cut, so it won't take as much time. I use this, and I'll be making a shaker card as well. So let's get started by putting the foam tape. Now, this is from Alina Craft. Both the tapes I'm using are from, oops, sorry about the noise. This is what I need to do. Sorry about that. I had a brain fog for a second. If you hear in the background noise, sorry. Someone is cutting their lawn. So I don't know if you hear that background noise. And if you can, well, there's nothing I can do about that right now. Right? Yes. You can say this paper says, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And then it has stars in it. This has like sprinkles. Let's see. What do we... I can turn this one over and use this from Elena Craft as well. Quite. You can really hear it now, but so how is everyone doing today? Is there anything special going on? Yes. June is almost here. Wow, time is getting away from us. And I'm over here. It's my acetator. This is like a bounce for the static cleaning. This will go on top of here. So this will go on here. Okay. So we can do that right now. This one. Actually, I really need to get some red line tape. I'm completely out, and I might have to go to Tuesday morning to see if they have any. Oops. Because you actually probably need stronger adhesive. But since I don't have a stronger now, and I'm not going to take this down, I'm just going to kind of leave it. And we need to make our mix. And this is my container that I purchased from Freight Harbor, and I'll put the link up there somewhere. My Freight Harbor haul. So I decided I think I want to use a little of this. It's hard. Even seeing a musical note, just need some sounds. Of course, I always use my clear. Are these from Dollar Tree? Small. Usually at Christmas time they have I think fillers or something. And I want to do a little gold. There's a little gold in there, and a little color. Just some pop of color. And do I want to do a little green? Maybe. Or this one. I think this one might be too dark. I think I'll do this one. Just a little bit. And this is from, these are Dollar Tree as well, I believe. Not too many. Oops. Let's see. Do I want any? And a dab of pink. I want this one. I did balls. And then let's see. I think that may be it for us. And oops. There we go. I do like paper crafts. I know you usually see me do Dollar Tree's hauls all the time, mostly. But I, when I first started doing it, well, not a video, but card making crafts were my thing. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's gonna be a little bit over. Let me try that. I think this is probably the most difficult part. Ooh, wow. What else can I stick? Sorry about this. I know it's really, but once you put in the envelope, you know. In that, from that paper pack, I cut the word hooray. So we'll glue it. Oops. Maybe. And then I just did the fishtail tail at the end. Just gonna put it here. Up and down here. But I did not want to use glue. It's pop-up tape, Dollar Tree. Not pop-up, but somebody is calling. Sorry about that. Mm. And then I picked this color as the card base. I mean, if you didn't want to use the paper in the back, you can just use the card base as the backup, but I did not want to. I wanted to use a different. So here we go. Put our glue. See, this is an A2 card. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next, I'm not going to glue this in, but normally you just put this in, or you can stamp it directly on if you want to, or I would like to put a white so it pop out so I can see. And I usually wait and stamp it first, then glue it, just in case you make a mistake. And you do all this hard work and mess up on the stamp, and you feel like you can put another piece of paper over that, but feel like it's not complete or inaccurate, or that's not the correct word for that. But oh well, you get what I'm saying. So there you have it. There you have it. Keep it simple. Thanks for watching. This is all I have. Toodaloo.